Have you ever ordered food from Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Grubhub and wondered why some restaurants don't even exist in real life? No signboards, no dine-in space, not even a waiter, yet they're delivering thousands of meals every single day. Rocket emoji. Stay with me till the end because I'll reveal a step-by-step plan on how you can launch your own cloud kitchen with as little as $5,000 and turn it into a six-figure business within a year. A kitchen that exists only for online orders. No dine-in area, no extra staff, only chefs plus delivery apps. Works via Uber Eats, DoorDash, Postmates, or own delivery system. Example, Mr. Burger, launched across the USA without opening a single restaurant. Low cost, no rent for a big space, no furniture, no waiters. High demand, food delivery is booming, especially after COVID. Scalable, start in one city, expanded 10+ kitchens without hassle. Flexibility, can run multiple virtual brands from one kitchen, e.g. pizza brand plus burger brand plus vegan brand, all from the same kitchen. U.S. online food delivery market is $26 billion in 2025. Statista. Target customers, millennials, Gen Z, busy professionals, families. Case study, Reef Kitchens runs 300+ ghost kitchens across U.S. cities. Pick your niche cuisine. Fast food, healthy meals, vegan, Mexican, Indian, etc. Find a small kitchen space. Rent a commercial kitchen for $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Register with delivery platforms, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub. Create a virtual brand, name, logo, menu, online presence. Hire 1 to 2 chefs. Keep the team small and efficient. Optimize menu for delivery, packaging-friendly food, short prep time. Marketing. TikTok food videos, Instagram Reels, SEO, best burgers near me. Expand. Once profitable, launch second and third kitchens in new locations. Delivery sales via Uber Eats, DoorDash. Multiple brands in one kitchen. More sales from the same space. Partner with influencers like Mr. Beast did. Own delivery app. Reduce platform commission. High competition. Solution. Unique branding. Niche cuisine. Delivery app commission, 20 to 30%. Solution, direct orders via social media or website. Quality control, solution, limited menu, strong food packaging. TikTok behind-the-scenes cooking videos. Paid ads, best pizza in city, delivered in 20 minutes. Collaborate with micro-influencers for food reviews. Loyalty programs via app or website. So, next time you order food on Uber Eats, remember that you might be eating from a kitchen that doesn't even exist in real life. Cloud kitchens are the future of food business. Low cost, high profit, and unlimited growth potential. If you want me to make a full step-by-step guide on how to launch your first cloud kitchen in the USA, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest trending business ideas.